Do you like listening to music?
Yes, yes, yes. That's one of my favorite things. That's so good. It helps me relax. That's the good one.
So there's one reason. You got sleepy at school, I don't believe you. You sleepy?
Oh yeah. Back in the days.
Oh my, back in the days. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, so other than that, how are you? Everything's
Doing
good?
well.
Family's good?
Things are going good.
What's that?
Things are going good.
Your brother's not driving you crazy?
No, he's at my grandparents. So I'm good. I'm free.
Oh, okay, so is he staying there for a little while, or?
No, he's gonna stay through the night.
Oh, so a day. A night, a day and a night. All right.
Night.
All right, buddy, are you ready for a little chit chat and some fun?
Daddy.
You're ready, Daddy. All right, then. Let's get started. Okay, part 1, social interaction. Topic 1, cooking. Do you enjoy cooking? Why or why not?
Yes, I really like cooking because I really find it pretty interesting and it's not that difficult. And I can be more creative in the kitchen.
Yeah, you can definitely get creative in the kitchen.
It's like studying, but more fun and joy.
Good. All right. Second question. What types of foods can you cook?
Right now, I can only cook some easy dishes since I just started. So I only cook like rice, vegetables, and some boiled food.
Boiled eggs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or maybe chicken or things that are boiled.
Boiled things.
Everything.
Old-fashioned style. All right, third question. Now imagine you have a girlfriend coming over or some friends coming over and you want to impress them. So the question is, what dish or food are you best at cooking? What would be the main one? You got to impress people now. What's the best thing you can cook? Don't say instant noodles.
Impress people.
Wow, your best meal. What would it be?
It will be fried chicken.
Fried chicken is a big seller. Everybody loves fried chicken.
Yeah, I love it. Yeah, nice. That's delicious.
Yeah, now how do you make that? You got to make that with a pre-packaged crust.
Yeah.
And yeah, of course. Not from scratch.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Topic 2, music. Do you like listening to music?
Yes. That's one of my favorite things. That's so good. It helps me relax. That's the good one.
So there's one reason.
And I mostly use it for studying.
Awesome.
Which is the best thing.
You listen to music when you study?
Yeah, I just put it in the background and I study. It helps me a lot.
Okay. So that leads to the second question. What kind of music do you often listen to, and why that type of music?
Of course, it's gotta be the music about studying, which is I think it was not something. I don't remember. And lofi music, low fidelity. I think it what's called.
Lofi. I've heard that. I'm not sure what it is, but I've heard that.
It's nice.
All right. Well, this will be an interesting answer then. 3 is, can you concentrate on other things when you are listening to music?
Probably when I listen to some cheerful ones that are like not like rock music, but just more like a silent and more about nature.
Oh, you mean like the waterfalls and rivers and oceans?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me ask it this way. When can you do something productive and listen to music, and when can you not do something productive when listening to music? Is there a difference? Or you can listen to music for doing anything?
Doing anything.
Doing anything.
Except at school, because that's illegal.
It's illegal. So
it's illegal. You can't use it. No, you can't. Yeah, you can't.
Will you get arrested?
No, you get attention.
You get detention. So same thing. Most of the kids said that doing house chores and working physically, they could listen to music, but they all said that if they were trying to study or focus, then they had to turn the music off. But that's them. That's their story, not yours. Who cares what they said? All right, good. Very good. Let's go to the next one. All right, part 2, situation discussion. You are going to find a place for you and your family to move to. 3 locations are suggested: in a small city, in a big city, or in the countryside. Which do you think is the best place for you and your family? And explain. I will give you 1 minute to prepare, starting now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, time is up. All right, so what's your decision? Where would you move?
In my opinion, then I'll choose living in a small city because it is because first, it's not too noisy and it's not too busy. It's like 50-50. And secondly, the cost of living is in the average. So my family won't be worried about fees.
Cost of living.
Yeah, the cost. and last is the pollution. It's not that bad. Like it could be, it maybe have some air pollution, but it's not going to be that serious.
Yeah. Well, Van Dun's pretty good too. You're right. Yeah. You're right on the sea, and there's no coal mines there. So Van Dun is. I liked Van Dun a lot more than Kom Pha. If I was going to stay up in Quang Ninh, I would have probably moved to Van Dun as well. No, that's a great answer. All right, very good. Let's move along. All right.
no.
Here is our mind map, right? Discuss the topic, computers have made a very vital impact on society and have changed our way of life. As guided in the outline below with the topics here, the mind map, you can use education, healthcare, or communication. It's up to you. I mean, you can choose your own ideas, but you need to talk about use at least 3 things. And tell me what you think, whether you agree or not with the statement. You'll have 1 minute to prepare your notes, starting now. Time is up. Are you ready, mister? Well, it doesn't matter if you're ready or not.
Yeah, ready. Ooh.
All right, so I'll say it one more time. Computers have made a very vital impact on society and have changed our way of life. What do you think?
Yeah, it really is, because really the technology is improving and it gets really better. And about education, you can find almost everything, like every answers that you need for studying or doing homework, or even making like a presentation at school or somewhere.
It's true. What other impacts has it had on us? How else has it changed our life?
What?
What other ways has it changed our life?
Oh yes, about the communication.
Sure.
You can really talk to everyone from afar, and no one's gonna stop you because it's on the internet. It's just only the Wi-Fi maybe that it will stop you from maybe communicating. Then nothing, or like nothing else will, and you can just stay relaxed, talking with your friends. Who cares? Who cares where they live? Because you have technology.
People are on the phone in minutes, right at the moment. Yeah. What other things about the healthcare and stuff, or any other ideas? How else does it impact our lives?
I'm not really sure about the healthcare. I think that it helps scientists to make more about vaccines, which is about the COVID-19, and maybe we use technology for surgeons surgery.
Surgeons and surgery, yeah. Yeah, because it's eye surgery now is done with lasers. That's all technology and computers and robots and
Yeah.
but yeah. Yeah, a lot of operations are assisted with high-tech machinery and computers. Yeah, definitely. All right, that's good. Do you think people will continue using computers in the future? And if so, what will computers of the future look like?
Yeah, sure. Of course it will, because it's technology is helping us.
You don't think everybody's just gonna stop using computers? Really?
Never. That will never happen.
Okay.
Technology really helps, especially scientists, to solve very, very big problems. And about maybe in the very, very far future, we can't know, but maybe we can make computers that are more effective, and maybe it looks cooler, like the Scorpion computer that we had already right now. It looks really cool. Maybe we'll have like a dinosaur looking computer. That would be cool.
What negative effects do you think computers have on their users?
Yes, and it's because that people don't use it in like a good way. And I forgot the word again. Oh no.
All right, but look at the question, right? What are the negative effects? How can it hurt the people that use it? How can it be bad for someone?
It's bad for people, yeah. Like if it really improves, and if we have maybe human, that taking the robots that look like human, and they do everything. Just think about it. What will people do? They're just sitting there and do nothing. Then just maybe they'll learn how to make more and more effective, but they'll just stay at home and do nothing. It's just because they have.
Okay, it can make people lazy, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. I was thinking almost you were going into cyborgs and computers and robots will take over
We're
the
not going that far.
AI. Okay. It can make people lazy. All right, that's good. Yeah, because it can still be bad for you if you spend too much time on them, or if you're just surfing around and you're not being productive too, and you're just wasting time. That could also be a problem. Yeah, okay, I get it. Can make you lazy. Yes. All right, last one. Do you think young people use emails more often than older people in your country? And how so?
Yeah.
If so.
I definitely think it is, because old people, they don't likely use it. They don't know what most of the elders, they don't know how to use things that are maybe like computer or even a phone, like a really small looking phone like Nokia. They don't even know how to use it. They can't even call. They can't do anything with it. And probably some people get mad.
Oh, I know. It is. It's a true fact globally. Yeah, that technology is harder for the older people.
For young, they are learning it too at school, so they have the knowledge to know what to do with it.
Very, very true. All right, Jack, that was a much better test. No question about it. I knew you could do it.
Yeah, I can.
It's just a decision. That's all it is. You decide. You write your own story, buddy. Don't let anybody else write it for you.
Yeah.
Good job. All right, so we'll see you next week then, yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
See you later, buddy. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
And improved. Always trying to make a better video than the last one. The problem is I don't get any better looking.
No, because you're too handsome now that you can't even get it better.
God, I wish.
It's the limit.
I wish my subscription was much higher if I was handsome.
You're at the infinite now.
I gotta play the cool card.